Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. To do this, open your Google Play Store. Right here you should be able to find Microsoft Edge. Then we'll need to install it. In this case it's already installed, so let me remove it from this device, and then you should see a button like this. When it's ready, open a browser. Then we can begin a setup. So right here you can go through the introduction. I'm gonna skip it. Now show your wallpaper, show most visited sites, show newsfeed. You can enable all of these features, or if you want to disable them. And let's click on next. Sign in to turn on synchronization. You can add the account. I'm gonna do it later. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. That's optional if you don't want it. And lastly, you can accept or disagree with a data sharing preference and click on confirm. Now the browser is ready, we can open any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.